how to get proof of balance on Commonwealth Bank. I'm going to show you two different methods. For the first one, you can do it online. You will have to log into your Combank's NetBank login page, and then you will select your account. Once logged in, you need to go into accounts and then select the account for which you need a balance. To view your balance, you can click on statements to download the latest statement as a PDF, which can serve as proof of your account balance. And you can also take a screenshot, but this is not always going to count or be considered an official document. You can also download or print the statement to present as official proof of balance. And if you want to do it through the Combank app, you will open up the Combank app, log in with your PIN or fingerprint Face ID. You will select your account and then choose the relevant account. Request a statement. You can view and download statements from the app, which will serve as proof of balance. You have to go into account, then statements, and download the most recent statement. You can also export or email the statement. The app has a feature to share or export to email or save as a PDF for official use. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.